Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to add third-party controls to your Apple Watch Control Center in watchOS 26 or later. watchOS 26 takes Apple Watch customization to the next level by allowing you to add third-party controls directly to the control center. This means your favorite apps can now place quick actions right alongside Apple's built-in toggles, making it easier than ever to access essential features with just a swipe. That's it, let's get started. So first we have to press the side button to bring up the control center on your Apple Watch. Then you have to scroll down and tap on the edit button. After that you have to tap on the plus button and then you have to scroll down to find the control you would like to add. And if you want to remove any unwanted control, just tap on the red minus button at the top of the control. And once you have perfectly customized the control center to your heart's liking, make sure to tap on the done button to save all your changes, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily customize or even add the third-party controls to your Apple Watch control center in watchOS 26 or later. With third-party controls in the Apple Watch Control Center, your watch becomes a true hub for quick actions that match your lifestyle. So no more digging through menus or apps. Everything you need is right there on your wrist.